Hey, my name is Igor and I'm founder of beplus and creator of beplus Bootstrap Mobile. Have you ever released a mobile app? Then you may know how complicated it can be. But what if I told you that there is a way how you can simplify the whole process? That's exactly what I have done with beplus Bootstrap Mobile. Just imagine having a production-ready React Native mobile app with Monorepo support, refined to support multiple environments, making development and testing easy, allowing you to have multiple apps on your real device. It's cleaned up. You can easily rename everything to fit your brand with app icon and loud screen ready out of the box. Configuration is simple too. Just use environment variables and you can easily manage them with beplus CLI. Now, let's talk about Fastlane integration. In case you have spent countless hours on code signing, building, and releasing, you will love this. Configure your Fastlane once and use it anytime you need. You can create your apps on Apple with a single CLI command. Manage certificates or provisioning profiles automatically, built for simulators or real devices, whether for testing or releases, locally or in the cloud. Releasing your apps has never been easier. Testing is another area that can be a headache. But with beplus Bootstrap Mobile, automated testing with just an Appium is straightforward. I provide examples of tests to get you up to speed quickly, so you can focus on testing rather than setup. Test with simulators or real devices, locally or with AWS Devis Farm or Browser Stack. For continuous integration and deployment, I've got automated mobile CI/CD setup with Bitrise, Codemagic, or GitHub Actions. Set it up with a single CLI command and change providers anytime just by changing the configuration. It's flexible, easy, fully automated, and kept up to date, so you never have to manage your CI/CD again. What about features? Authentication, geolocation, push notifications, iOS live activities. I've made this for you, all with the underlying AWS infrastructure. For example, you can deliver push notifications or handle iOS live activities just by updating the DynamoDB table. You will also get access to beplus tools, beplus provisioning, beplus configuration, and beplus CLI. These tools will help you keep everything under control and organized within your AWS accounts. Installation into AWS is easy and the configuration is streamlined, whether for local development or cloud deployment. You can easily manage the underlying configuration for Apple Themes, Fastlane configuration, Google Play Themes and upload keys, or even create your own based on what your app needs. I've documented everything to provide a seamless experience, and I still do. The beplus Mobile Playbook provides all you need for React Native mobile app development, testing, and deployment. And beplus Training offers video courses, speedrun videos, and architecture explanations to help you get the most out of beplus Bootstrap Mobile. You might be wondering why AWS for mobile development. It not only centralizes everything into a single place, whether you are provisioning resources, managing configuration, or CI/CD integrations, but also keeps everything in your hands. Now, here's the best part. You can start for free, but you will get the most value out of it with the All Access license. I'm offering all this for a one-time investment of just $199 for the first 100 people. There's a 60% discount since some parts of it are still in active development. You can always check how it's going on GitHub and provide feedback to get your use case supported. And it's lifetime access and unlimited usage, so you will get all of the upcoming updates. You will also get access to the beplus Bootstrap dashboard and my beplus community on Slack, where I will be there to help you, especially in this early stage. So if you are tired of the complexity of mobile app deployment and want to have a simpler, more efficient way to build, test, and release your mobile apps, come on board. Join beplus Bootstrap Mobile. I will be humbled to have you and happy to help.